today I'm not going to host the event. I'm not going to give an AI training. I'm going to volunteer at the Hyderabad Data AI community. So we'll take you along what I did, and yes, that's it. That is for this blog. You will be seeing in this blog. So let's get started with this. Do let me know if you work in any of these companies like LinkedIn, Microsoft, and HP, Barclays in the comments below. See, and maybe if any company is your dream company as well. Event is over and I'll tell you my key highlights of that event. First, let me be hydrated क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. So there were 3 speakers. One was from Microsoft, 2 was from some other companies, and the Microsoft person was telling about how Microsoft Fabric is a great investment by Microsoft and how they are using them in business. Number 2 was a session about how you can do prompt engineering, और आप Microsoft Copilot के ही थ्रू आप कैसे कैसे अलग अलग एजेंट्स के थ्रू prompt engineering कर सकते हो. And the third session was about context engineering. That is new and that is also very much valuable, कि how you can use certain kind of things, certain kinds of knowledge, agents in your context engineering. And this was a nice and wholesome experience, and I got a bottle as well in pink color. And yes, my always motivation to come to these events just to collaborate with new people, understand what is going into the market, and yes, see you in next another video. And I try to record everything which I can from this event, because Microsoft में आप इतनी recording नहीं कर सकते हो. Yes, till then keep learning, keep doing, and subscribe to Talk Data with Jain. Bye everyone.
So hey guys, we just wrapped up the Global Fabric Day here at Gurgaon. How was your day?
Amazing! Please subscribe to Talk Data with Jain. See you in the next video.